Hi, you're through to Sandhya at Yoga Keynsham and Mikitta from Yoga Keynsham. Great to have you. We wanted to talk about breathing today and the most efficient way to breathe. So some people, when you breathe in, their bellies come in, and when you breathe out, the belly comes out. It's not the most efficient way to breathe. The most efficient way to breathe is when you breathe in, the belly expands like a balloon. And when you breathe out, the belly draws back. So this can enable us to take in more oxygen. So Mikitta's just going to demonstrate that for us.
Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Breathe in, breathe out.
We hope you enjoyed this video and have found it helpful. Do practice that breathing and see how you get on, and let me know in the comments below. If you find this useful and you want to receive my 5 simple stress reduction tips, visit my website at www.yogakeynsham.com. That's www.yogakeynsham.com. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye. Now can I watch